Ciao amici, I'm Master Leo Spizzirri, and today I'm going to show you the perfect example of why I say my utility dough can go in a million different directions. Today I'm going to make the most gorgeous meat lovers pizza. When you make this pizza, I guarantee you're never going to want to call for takeout again. "35 years, this never gets old." I love a no-cook sauce for a lot of reasons. Number one, it allows me to get a beautiful tomato, especially something that maybe came from California, domestic, sweet, everything that we love about a fresh tomato. But then I add in all of these herbs, the basil, the garlic, a couple turns of black pepper. I also love that because we're not cooking it, if it's super hot outside, you're not heating up your kitchen, mix it all up together and it's ready to use. Guys, this is one of those sauces you need to memorize, make it your own. I use it all the time and you're gonna see that you use it as well. My American traditional dough is a utility dough. It's super versatile. Go back to the channel and check out the recipe. Look at this dough. It's super airy and light already. I'm gonna start out with a little bit of semolina. This is gonna allow me to take the dough out of the box nice and clean. I wanna take it out of the box in the same shape that it was in the box. If you can do this one step, you're gonna see the benefit down the road because all those gases are gonna get locked into that base and it's gonna leave you with a super light and airy crust. I'm gonna start by chopping my mozzarella. I like to use these little cubes because it's gonna extend the bake. You won't have cheese that looks disintegrated on top of your pizza. It's super clean, and at the end, you're gonna have a gorgeous cheese pull with this method. Saucing your dough is very simple. Notice the rotation of the spoon as I go around. Don't go over the edge of the dough. Leave yourself at least one finger from the edge, and it'll keep the exterior of the crust from burning. Now, you can use as little or as much sauce as you like. With this type of pizza, I've got a ton of meat that's gonna be going on here, so I wanna make sure that everything is balanced. For my meat lovers pizza, I'm gonna be using 3 different types of meat. I'm gonna use bulk Italian sausage. I like to use the sweet variety, but you can use spicy if you'd like as well. Pinch it off very small, thin, and it'll cook really evenly, uniformly with the pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place pepperoni on top of this pizza. Notice how I'm scattering it. I don't wanna make a blanket of pepperoni. I wanna be able to see the sausage underneath. My next ingredient is bacon. I'm gonna sprinkle the bacon on around the edges and then towards the middle, in between the pepperoni layers. Now for my signature move. Let's give this a gorgeous snowfall of Parmigiano Reggiano. CJ, don't put that Parmesan with an S anymore. No, summer, bro. No more green cans, okay? Now, here we go into the oven. Look at my technique. I'm gonna give this pizza a little jiggle on the peel to make sure that it moves. Once I get to the oven, it's going to allow me to launch this pizza really nice and uniform. Check this out how I launch it. That's a perfect circle. Not to pat myself on the back, but I'd say that's a 99.9 right there. Guys, look at this. Oh, did you see that move? Reflexes like a cat. Now, this is exciting. I want to say something right now. CJ, are you ever going to order pizza out again when this is being done right in front of you?
Yeah, he probably will. Never. Yeah, he will.
I want to show you. Let's Lion King this real fast. Ethan, come over here. Look at this. Look at the bottom of this crust. How beautiful and golden this is. Guys, this is an American traditional dough, we call it. You can get the recipe on this page, but I want you to know that this is a utility type dough. Change the oven temperature and you change the style of the pizza. When I look at this pizza, to me, I see 30 years of experience on a plate. Everything that I know how to do, I'm gonna teach you. It's so simple. Look at the texture, look at the color of the edge here. When you see a crust that looks like it's golden brown, that's one tell of a really good pizza. But you know that you went over the top when you can see these tiny, we call these in the business micro blisters. Come close. If you were ever to make a Neapolitan pizza at really high temperature, those micro blisters are what makes those leopard spots. This dough, without even tasting it, I know is gonna be super light and airy, and you can do this every single day, just like I did here in front of you. CJ, what do you think when you look at this?
I think I've wasted all my life eating DiGiorno pizzas when I could have been doing this.
Do you get as excited as I do?
Yes.
Oh, this to me is everything that I love as a fat kid from Chicago. Finishing it off with that Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm Chef Leo. Ciao, amici. Hey, Ethan, you know what happiness in one bite looks like? Look at this. I want to say, I'd slap your mom. This is so good. CJ is the best. Awesome show. Great food and funny. These guys don't know you.